girls, welcome to Tonitra's garden. So we're gonna go out to the big raised bed garden today. I have zinnias that I have to harvest. They are in full bloom. They are ready to go. So we're gonna go do that. And I'm gonna share with you my #1 tip to get triple the amount of zinnias you would normally get. I'm gonna share that tip with you once we get out there. First, I need to fill this bucket up with water so that they stay nice and hydrated. Let's go. You guys, it is midday and it is hot, if you cannot tell. I would suggest doing this early morning if possible, but we're just gonna do this now because the rain has been unpredictable. After we harvest all of these, I'm gonna go ahead and make a bouquet with you guys. OMG, y'all, I am on the struggle bus today, but we are getting it together. We needed our gloves, so we're gonna put these on. Where are my scissors? Those in my pocket, and let's get to it. Okay, so this variety of zinnia is called the Oklahoma pink zinnia. It is so gorgeous. Do you see this beautiful southern pink? I can't get enough. This plant is so sturdy, like, this is just one plant. It is so disease resistant. I absolutely love this variety. You can find these seeds on my website if you're interested in growing them for yourself. So when you're picking your zinnias, you don't want your zinnias to be all floppy like this. Let's see if I can find one. You kind of want them to be more stiff, kind of like this. You know, you don't want them to be wobbling at the top. That's how you know they're not ready, or if they're just super small, just give them some more time, but just kind of eyeball it and say, okay, this one looks about ready. It's a nice size, and you're gonna pick them at a good size. Now, when I'm picking them, I like to take my cutting all the way down to where 2 zinnias are trying to bloom, 2 new zinnias, so let me show you. I never go for anything that's this small. That's a no. We're gonna pick something like, let me see if this one is good. We're gonna pick something like this. Nice and stiff, it's nice and full, it has fully bloomed. So when I'm cutting my zinnia, what I like to do, I like to follow the stem all the way down. I want a long stem until it meets 2 side shoots. So do you see those side shoots? I'll cut it right here, and then I'll continue to let these side shoots grow new blooms. So that's what we're gonna do for all of these. This is 1 plant, that's 2 plants, and back there, that's 3 plants. So we're gonna harvest these 3 plants, and I'm gonna share with you my top tip for getting this many blooms off of your zinnias. You're going to get dozens of bouquets out of just a couple of plants. So let me share with you that tip. So trust me, I was one of those girls who was like, I am not cutting my zinnias. I wanna keep as many zinnias blooming on my plant as possible. I don't want my plant to be bare. I was her. So this year I decided that I was going to start harvesting my zinnias more. So harvesting like at least once a week and seeing how they do. When I tell you I am blown away by the amount of production, the amount of blooms this zinnia has produced, I have created dozens of bouquets already. So my #1 tip for you when you're growing zinnias is to harvest them often. When you harvest them, it signals to the plant that it needs to produce more flowers, and here you go. You will get more flowers. So keep that tip. Let's get into harvesting because it is hot out here.
Yeah. Oh, no. Yeah. DJ done set, we dey alright. Body done form, not to play all night and dance. Baba, we dey alright. Loud that tune and I see my fresh white. My pockets on large. Every man post for the corner all light. One man thing, now somebody fight. Real man thing, pande. Should I me they find you? Why I gotta try when you know give body? Say make I mind you. Girl, I don't try, but you know send nobody. Why I they find you? Why I gotta try find you now? Here I dey. Oh baby, now for yeah I dey. So make we dance, make we dance. Oh. I'ma get make me dance. All of them no balance. All of them man no gallant. I'ma get make we dance. Baby girl, make we dance. Oh, I'ma this life no balance. All of them man no gallant. Oh, hey. Shana me they find you. Why I gotta try when you know give body? Say make I mind you. Girl, I don't try, but you know send nobody. Why I they find you? Why I gotta try find you now? Yeah, I did. Oh baby, not for yeah, I did. So make we dance, oh. I'ma get make me dance. All of them moms no get chance, oh. Baby, them no get chance. I know they thank you. Ain't no other shorty like you. So make we dance, your romance, oh. I'ma get make me dance. Shana me they find you. I'ma get make me dance. Say make I mind you. I'ma get make me dance. Why I they find you? I'ma get make me dance. Oh baby, dance. I'ma get make me.
So what I like to do before I take them inside or do anything with them indoors, I like to just rinse them with some cool water. Make sure that the tops are nice and clean. And then I like to go in here and just gather them and dunk them so that there aren't any spiders underneath, because they like to hide underneath these petals. Just be gentle with your stems because they could break. And you can do batches at a time if you want. See, I already see a bug in there. Look at that. See that little bug? And just do them upside down too.